Hey, so I wrapped up the install on this LGT or Nexus Saber's Vader hilts. So here's the hilts in a kind of a chrome finish, so you can kind of see fingerprints in there already. I like to take a microfiber cloth and just clean that up, and then wear gloves if possible. So here's your hilt. It's installed with Golden Harvest V3 with deep red, and white Tri-Cree instead of the more traditional red, royal blue, and green. That way you have a much brighter and a more Sithy red than you would get with a regular red LED. So up here there's shine through, which once the blade's illuminated you can kind of see that. So let me put a battery in here. So to access the internals, just unscrew the grip, and you'll have your chassis over here. So this is the chassis in glitter black. Got your Golden Harvest V3 board over here. Got your battery holder, kill switch, as well as a 28mm bass speaker. So let's put a battery in here. So when answering the battery, the flat side towards the negative, the spring side, which is marked over here. The button top towards the positive over there. And I like to put it in negative first because there is kind of a lip here to hold the battery in place. So I like putting in negative first, compressing it, and then just slotting into the positive. There you go. So currently the kill switch is in the off position to the left, so toggle it to the right to turn on. You can see the shine through over here. On camera it picks up as more of like a pinkish purplish red, but in person it's a really dark Sithy red. Got your blade plug there with shine through. A bit too bright. Turn that off. Got your blade plug there that was included with the saber. So let me put the body section back on. So when screwing on the body section, once you kind of get to this point, you'll feel that it's a lot harder to screw the grip on. So I like to screw it on so that these two grips are kind of aligned with the control box there. With the grip on, it's going to be a lot louder because the speaker is fully enclosed with the pommel. Got your blaster blocks. Got a smooth swing. Got your accent swings. Flash on clash. Also enabled some gesture controls, so I've got twist off as well as swing on. So let's put a blade in here. So the blade retention screws are one over here and then one there. So this one takes an M2 Allen key. Let's unscrew those. The blade plug pops out. There's your Tri-Cree unit. And then I'm going to put a blade in here. So this one takes a 1-inch baselit or hollow RGB blade. So tap once for the blaster block. Like the flash on clash. So currently I have it so that all the clash, blaster, force, and all those effects turn on all three of the LEDs. So then go through the effects menu. I believe it's hold and hold.
Choose blade effects.
So I believe there might be 10 or so blade effects. We've got stable over here. You've got a few flicker effects, like a light flicker, a medium-ish flicker, like a heavier flicker. It's almost kind of like a pulse effect where it goes, every now and then it does a flicker. This is a pulse, or just pulsating. An even faster pulse. Go back to stable. And there's the first flicker one, which is a lighter flicker. So to lock that in, just hold the button. So to enter blade effects menu, hold the button, let go, hold it again.
Choose blade effects.
And then to cycle through it, just rotate the hilts. So rotating counterclockwise goes backwards, rotating clockwise goes forwards. And then to just lock it in, hold the button. So the Golden Harvest also comes with 15 or so sound fonts. This is kind of like the classic villain Vader font. To enter sound effects menu, you want to make sure the saber is pointed upwards a bit. Hold the button.
Sound menu.
And let go. And then again, you can rotate through the sound fonts on the saber.
Dark Harvest.
The classic villain.
So again, counterclockwise goes backwards.
Dark Harvest.
The classic
Clockwise
villain.
goes through forwards.
Night Balance. Cyborg.
Data issues complete.
This one's a Luke font.
Sound menu.
Cryocarbon. Eternal Prince.
The Phantom. The Shadow.
Dark Harvest.
The classic villain.
Let's go back to the classic villain Vader font. Now let's go through kind of how to remove the battery. Just gonna remove the blade. So once you're done playing with the saber, and if you want to remove the battery, you can flip the kill switch off. So this is kind of optional, but I like doing that anyway, just because it makes sure you kill power to the saber before you remove the battery. So to remove the battery, you want to pry it by the sides here, and because it's a little bit tight, sometimes you can't really get it. So I like to kind of wedge my fingernail in there, and just make sure to just pry it out a little bit. And then once it's kind of pried out at this angle, you can grab it from the sides, and then just slowly slide that out. And again, to insert, negative side first, and then positive. So yeah, I'm going to send the instructions for the Golden Harvest manual over to you with the one button operation. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If not, I'll try to get this sent back to you as soon as possible.